Pride Automation is a purpose-built platform designed to bring clarity, accuracy, and automation to the world's most mission-critical procedures. Across industries like oil and gas, chemical, aerospace, and manufacturing, procedural precision remains one of the biggest challenges teams face. More than 60% of severe industrial incidents are linked directly to procedural deviations. And even today, many operations still depend on PDFs, binders, and outdated tools that were never designed for the complexity of modern mission-critical work. Pride Automation was created to solve this problem. To understand Pride, we look at where it began, at NASA. Pride was originally developed to support the International Space Station and Orion programs, powering procedure authoring, EVA workflows, Viper ground operations, and mission-critical oversight. From paper checklists to early XML to Pride's advanced procedure representation language, the platform evolves to meet space-grade precision requirements, and ultimately expanded to support Earth-based industries with the same discipline and reliability. Today, Pride supports some of the world's most complex organizations. Let's look at how Pride works. Pride View gives operators a powerful browser-based interface for running any procedure with clarity and control. From the dashboard, users can search, filter, and start procedures manually or have them triggered automatically through API integrations with systems like SAP. During execution, Pride handles everything from parameter capture and specification limits to real-time calculations, API calls, and automated error proofing. It supports OCR for reading identifiers, machine learning models for visual inspection, and generative AI for translation and safety lookups, all inside the same workflow. Every step, value, photo, and decision is captured in the as-run database, giving complete visibility across operations. Pride turns complex work into guided, automated, and fully traceable operations. Pride is an integrated suite of tools, from procedure authoring to live execution, monitoring, reporting, and analytics, a complete pathway to automation in a single unified environment. Across the organization, Pride enables purposeful productivity. Teams gain real-time visibility into work progress, the ability to provide remote guidance instantly, seamless coordination with management systems, and automatic data collection that eliminates manual reporting. From offshore rigs to chemical plants, from robotic automation labs to lunar missions, Pride helps teams work smarter, safer, and more consistently with confidence in every step. Pride Automation. Because in mission-critical operations, every step matters.